Hi, Tom. I got the bronze medal.
Oh, Anna. I'm sorry you didn't get gold. How are you feeling?
I'm really upset. I wanted gold so badly.
I understand. Was the match hard?
Yes, it was very tough. The matches were all so close.
Did you try your best?
Yes, I gave it everything I had.
What did your coach say?
My coach said to be proud of the bronze and keep working hard.
That's good advice. Did you get support from the team?
Yes, everyone was very encouraging.
How about from our family?
They were supportive, but I know they are also proud of you.
I'm sure they are. Do you want to talk about the match?
Not really. I just feel disappointed right now.
That's okay. Do you have any plans to get better?
Yes, I'll train harder and work on my skills.
When will you start training again?
I'll start next week. I need a bit of time to rest first.
Do you need any help with your training?
Maybe later. I'll let you know if I do.
Thanks for understanding. What can I do to help you feel better?
Just being here helps. Maybe we can talk and hang out.
Of course. We can go get something to eat if you'd like.
That sounds nice. Thanks for being so supportive.
Anytime, Anna. You'll do great next time.
I hope so. See you soon, Tom.
See you, Anna.
Hi, Jake. I didn't win the gold medal.
I'm sorry to hear that, Anna. How do you feel?
I feel very sad. I cried after the match.
It's okay to be upset. Did you have a tough match?
Yes, it was really hard. The other wrestler was very strong.
Did you think you did well?
I tried my best, but it wasn't enough.
Did you get any support from your team?
Yes, they were all very supportive. That helped a lot.
What did your coach say to you?
My coach said to keep my head up and keep training.
That's good advice. Do you have any plans to improve?
Yes, I will train harder and work on my weaknesses.
Have you decided when you will start training again?
I'll start next week. I need a few days to rest first.
Do you want to talk about the match more?
Not right now. I just want to focus on moving forward.
That's a good idea. Do you need any help with your training?
I might need some help later. Thanks for offering.
Of course. What are you doing to take care of yourself right now?
I'm resting and spending time with my family.
That sounds nice. Are you feeling any better?
A little bit. Talking with you helps.
I'm glad to hear that. When do you think you'll feel ready to compete again?
I think after some rest and training, I'll be ready in a few months.
I'm sure you'll do great next time. Want to grab a coffee later?
Sure, that would be nice. Thanks for being here for me.
Anytime, Anna. I'm here to support you.
I appreciate it, Jake. See you later.
See you, Anna.
Hi, Tom. We didn't win gold this time.
Yes, it's sad. How do you feel?
I'm a bit upset, but I'll try harder. How about you?
I feel the same. We can do better next time. What was hard for you?
The final match was really tough. I made some mistakes. What about you?
My matches were hard too. I need to improve my skills.
What did the coach say?
The coach said to keep working hard and not give up. What did your coach say?
My coach said we need to fix our mistakes and train more.
What will you do to get better?
I'll practice more and work on my strength. What about you?
I'll practice more matches and review what went wrong.
Do you think we can win gold in the next Olympics?
Yes, if we train hard, we can win. Are you excited about 2028?
I'm excited and ready to work hard. Let's promise to win gold in Los Angeles.
I promise. We'll do our best. Should we start planning our training now?
Yes, let's plan. What should we work on first?
We should focus on our weak areas and get stronger.
Good idea. What will you do this week?
I'll practice more and review my matches. How about you?
I'll do the same. Let's train together.
Sounds good. See you at training.
See you soon, Tom. Hi, Tom. We both won gold medals.
Yes, we did. How do you feel?
I feel so happy and proud. What about you?
I feel the same way. It's amazing to win.
What was the best part for you?
Hearing the national anthem was the best part. What about you?
I loved standing on the podium. It felt so special.
Did you get a lot of support from our family?
Yes, they were cheering for us the whole time. It helped a lot.
What did our coach say to you?
Our coach said we did great and to keep working hard. What did your coach say?
My coach said the same. Did you have a favorite moment in the competition?
I loved the final match. It was so exciting. Did you have a favorite moment?
Yes, I enjoyed every match, but the final was the best. What's next for you?
I'll enjoy this win and then start preparing for the next competition. What about you?
I'm planning to take a short break and then get back to training. Do you have any special plans to celebrate?
I'm thinking of having a small party with friends and family. What about you?
I might have a celebration too. Do you need any help with your celebration?
That would be great. Maybe you can help with the planning.
Sure, I'd be happy to help. What's the first thing you want to do after the celebration?
I want to relax and maybe go on a small trip. Do you have any plans?
I'm thinking of taking a short vacation and then getting back to training. Are you excited about the next competition?
Yes, I am. I'm looking forward to it. See you at the celebration.
See you there, Anna. Congratulations again.
Congratulations to you too, Tom. Hi, Jake. I just wanted to thank you for all your support. I won the gold medal.
That's amazing, Emma. Congratulations. I'm really happy for you.
Thanks, Jake. It means a lot to me. I couldn't have done it without you.
I'm glad I could help. How do you feel?
I feel fantastic. It's a dream come true. What about you?
I didn't win a medal, but I'm still proud of the effort I put in.
You should be proud. You worked really hard.
Thanks, Emma. I'm looking forward to improving and trying again next time.
I know you'll do great. What are your plans now?
I'm going to take a short break and then start training again.
That's a good plan. If you need any help or advice, just let me know.
I appreciate that. I might take you up on that offer.
Anytime, Jake. Let's celebrate your hard work too.
Thanks, Emma. We should definitely catch up soon.
Absolutely. Congratulations again to you and to me.
Congratulations to you, Emma. See you soon.
See you, Jake. Hi, Tom. I won the gold medal today.
Wow, Anna, that's great. How do you feel?
I feel so happy and relieved. It's a dream come true. What about you?
I didn't win a medal, but I'm proud of my effort. What was the best part of your win?
The best part was hearing my national anthem. What was your favorite part of the competition?
I enjoyed the experience and the competition. Did you have any special support?
Yes, my family and friends cheered me on. Did you have someone supporting you?
Yes, my coach was very encouraging. What will you do to celebrate?
I'm planning a small party with my family. What about you?
I'll take some time to relax and then start training again. What's next for you?
I'll enjoy this win for a bit and then start preparing for the next challenge. Do you have any new goals?
Yes, I want to improve and aim for a medal next time. Any advice for me?
Keep working hard and stay focused. You've got this. Will you join me at my celebration?
I'd love to. Thanks for inviting me. Can I help with anything?
Just bring your positive attitude. I'm sure we'll have a great time.
Sounds good. Congratulations again, Anna.
Thanks, Tom. See you soon. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!